In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a channel in Slack. Before we get started, a quick note. You'll need to have the right permissions to delete a channel. Usually that means you're either the workspace owner and admin, or you created the channel and your workspace settings allow you to remove it. If you don't see the delete option later on, that's probably a permissions issue. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser, and make sure you're in the correct workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see your list of channels. Find the channel you want to delete. In this example, the channel is called New Channel, but in your case, it might be any channel you no longer need, like a temporary project or test space. Click on the channel name to open it. Once the channel is open, look toward the top right corner of the Slack window. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More or Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the channel options. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Open Channel Details. Go ahead and click that. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen with information and settings for this specific channel. Inside the Channel Details panel, you'll see several tabs such as About, Members, Integrations, and so on. Look for the tab labeled Settings on Workspace and click on it. The Settings tab is where you manage how the channel behaves, including things like making it private or archiving it, depending on your permissions. Scroll down within the Settings tab until you see the option labeled Delete Channel. This is the option that will permanently remove the channel and its message history from your Slack workspace. When you're sure you've selected the correct channel, click on Delete Channel. Slack will usually show a confirmation message at this point, warning you that deleting a channel is permanent and cannot be undone. Take a moment here to double check that this is really the channel you want to delete, and that there isn't anything important you still need from it. If you're unsure, consider archiving the channel instead, which hides it but preserves the history. If you're certain, confirm the deletion when prompted. Once you do, the channel will disappear from your channel list and it will no longer be accessible to anyone in the workspace. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a channel in Slack.